Ghetto superstar, that is what you are. Coming from afar, reaching for the stars. Fly away with me to another place.
Again, I don't know what is the issue with iPhones. Cause why does my camera look so blurry? And when I get on my iPhone 6, it's so crispy clear. Like, I'm not understanding. But anyway, hey y'all again. It's me, Janaya. Today I have plans on going to the mall to get my mother's birthday gift. Her birthday is tomorrow. She's going with me. That wasn't the original plan, but we're gonna see how that work out. And tomorrow I want to go. She's going to the spa tomorrow, early in the morning. So my intentions are to wake up early in the morning, right after she leaves, and get her some birthday balloons. And she had mentioned that she want to do balloons, and hanging off the balloons will be flowers. So I want to accomplish that. I want to have that done by the time she get home tomorrow. It should be quick. Like, all you got to do is tape the flower to the balloon string, right? That's what I'm thinking. But yeah. Happy birthday, mama. What else? She had said that she had said that she wants a Nike set for me, Nike sweatsuit or pants, like regular tights for me. So I think I'm gonna do that, or like some sneakers maybe. But the thing with her and sneakers, she gotta be there to see it. She's picky. And I don't want to get the wrong sneaker. Well, not the wrong sneaker, but like a sneaker that I know she probably won't wear. Even though I know her style or whatever. And I also be wanting like her to like switch it up a bit. And she don't be wanting to do that. But she says she just wants a plain all black sneaker. I'm going to see if any sneaker stores have that. I'm still taking out eyelashes from my birthday eyelash set. My birthday set. I'm still taking out lashes from when I got my eyelashes done for my birthday. Which is crazy. Like, why are you still on my eyes? The glue is super strong. Yeah, that's my day. I do want to make an outfit later because we're going on a we're going on a party bus, which is taking us to a restaurant tomorrow. And I don't know what I'm wearing. I barely have an idea of what I want to wear. But I do know that I want to make something. My first thought was making some pants. Getting a white mock neck, turtleneck, whatever, crop top. I wonder if Rainbows has that. Should I go to Rainbows? And I have these white boots. And I'm going to borrow my sister's white pocketbook. And the pants will be the action. So I have this fabric. I don't know if it will look right though, but in my head it looks right, and it always looks right in my head. But I have this fabric. It's black and turquoise, and it's shiny material, stretchy. And I was thinking about making pants with that material. But I don't know. But I also have other options of fabric that I can make pants with. I'd be so last minute with stuff. It's ridiculous. Like, I be getting on my nerves with that. Like, okay, so I'm gonna see y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm out shopping. And look at these cute shoes. their platforms. But the thing is with this store, they never have my size. Like, these are a size 6, and like it's flipping off my feet, as you can see, which is annoying. Like, I'm out here in these streets trying to get my mama some balloons and some flowers. It's her birthday, y'all. But the place don't open until 10 o'clock. Google said it opened at 9:30. So yeah, I'm waiting for them to open up. As you can see, I got the balloons. I should never got this one. Like, as soon as I seen it blown up, I was like, I don't like that. But I paid for it already, so whatever. I'm gonna still make it cute somehow. Hopefully she has pink roses in here, because I want to match it. She's at the spa right now. She's getting a facial with my sister and my grandmother. I got the roses, y'all. By the time she get back, she probably get back around like 12, maybe 11, 11:30, 12ish. Think this all the way through, freak. So for some reason I didn't think putting the freaking roses on the balloon would weigh the balloon down. And I just watched the video, and the lady said that she does not use helium, she uses air in her balloons. So I have helium. How I'm gonna do this, bruh? Dang. Yeah. You wanna know how I did that? You wanna know? Do you wanna know how I did it? Okay, I'm gonna tell you. So I put this string. Wait, let me just do it again, because I gotta hurry up. So I got the rose. Ouch, freaking things. Okay, so I got the rose. I taped it all the way up. And I taped it all the way up. And then the remaining string, I taped it on the ceiling. Stop playing. Yeah. I'm happy because I figured it out. I figured out a cheat code. Girl. Alright. Let me process it, though. This is how it's looking. I have 2 more roses, and I'm thinking, like, should I just run back to the store and get 2 more balloons? It's the final product, y'all. I mean, I guess I should. Book me for your next birthday. Valentine's Day. I'm gonna just hurry up and go to the store.
Boy, if you don't get...
All right, I gotta hurry up because she on her way.
Oh, wow. What's I like it.
I was gonna make a skirt out of this material, but I don't got time for that. So it was either this shirt with these pants or this button-up brown shirt with this dress, but I'm gonna wear it as a skirt, like a mini skirt, with the white bag and the white boots. I want to do this, but I don't know how it's gonna look. I hope it looks good. Let's see. Do it like these. Or should I do it like these? This outfit was, man, it was something. I was trying to figure it out and I figured it out. But this is the final look with the white boots. Happy birthday, mama. And yes, I'm keeping these 2 different earrings because I'm different. And I couldn't decide. So, yeah.
In the system, ain't no telling when I'm fucking, will I kiss them? That's what they be yelling. I'm a pimp by blood, not relation. Y'all be chasing, I'll be placed dumb, huh? Drunk on Chris, money on E. Can't keep a little model, hands on me. Both in the club, high I think that's better. Ordered another round. It's about to go down. Got 6 model chicks.
Mama's
6 models of
birthday.
Chris. 4 velvet got weed everywhere. What do you say? You and your Chloe glasses. Go somewhere private where we can discuss fashion. Like Prada blouse, Gucci bra. Okay. Filth Mark jeans. Take that off.